Palma Vecchio was born on circa 1480, died July 30, 1528. He born Jacopo Palma and also known as Jacopo Negretti, was a Venetian painter of the Italian High Renaissance. He was born at Serina Alta near Bergamo, a dependency of the Republic of Venice, but his recorded career all took place in or near Venice. He is called Palma Vecchio in English to distinguish him from Palma il Giovane, his great-nephew, who was also a painter. Palma's mature work from the 1520s shows a high Renaissance style, characterized by his mastery of contrapposto, the enrichment of his high-keyed palette and the development of a dignified and diverse repertory of ideal human types in conservative compositions.